Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's back to school day. It's back to school day. We have to get back to all of what we used to. Tyler, we have to make him back wake up on time, breakfast, and on top of that take care of Sarah. So yeah, basically it's babe that doing all of this job. So it's back to the routine. I gotta go ready. I gotta go ready. They here.
It's 7.
You guys, I am getting everything ready for Tyler. I won't put any time on it. Okay? At school, just make sure you drink your water and come home back with an empty bottle. Okay? If there's a little bit left in it, then that's fine. But you're at school already. This is a little bottle for you to drink off in comparison to drinking this off at school, at home. Okay?
I want to measure it.
It's half of it. It's as tall as here, but the amount that is in it is just from here to here. But don't worry about it, just make sure you drink it off at school. Tyler have a problem with drinking water, so we're trying to encourage him to drink more water in the day. When he's home, we put time on this one so he can drink it off. And now that he's not going to be home and back to school, so you have to carry his little water bottle at school. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out in about 10 minutes to go drop Tyler to school. Get back, jump into my old routine of French and taking care of Sarah and all that good stuff that babe told you that I have to do. My voice is coming back little by little, so I'm better than the day before, and that's good. Hopefully you guys are doing well and is having a good day, whatever time of the day that you are watching this. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Be kind to somebody. As usual, as always, one kind word will go a long way. One kind gesture will go a long way. Be a good human being. Don't be mean, okay? Whatever it is that you're going through right now, right this minute, I hope that you'll have a turnaround. You'll snap out of however you're feeling and look on the bright side in comparison to all the negative that's are happening. Whatever setback that you might be experiencing, look at it as a setback for a better comeback. That's a good word for you today. Have a good day and love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Tyler, come and say morning to the face before you head out to school. Go.
Wagwan.
You look handsome.
Yes.
Have anything to tell Faith? No?
No.
Alright, I'll see you later.
See you later. But I'm still thinking if I can tell them something.
What do you want to tell them?
I'm thinking.
Okay. Tell them that you're going to be nice at school. You're going to be kind. You're going to listen. And what? Tell me all the things that you're going to be at school
Listen
today.
to my teacher. Eat everything at canteen.
Do not be influenced by other kids at school.
What?
Do you know what that means?
No.
Whatever they dare you to do, don't do it. When they're doing naughty things, don't follow. Be a leader, not a follower. Okay? So you don't follow people and do things that they're not supposed to be doing.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes, Mama.
Alright. Don't follow. Don't let them let you do things that you're not supposed to do. Right?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. And you're going to focus when you get your activities. Okay? Your activity is not a race. It's for you to understand it and get it right. And you look over before you hand in your work.
Okay.
Let's go see if we find Sarah. Sarah Leah. I find you. Ah. Say morning, Faves. What you doing? What you doing? Rocky. You're showing them Rocky. Rocky is your friend. Friend. Tyler. Carry Sarah black shoes out there. Come give me, please. Thing as eating in peace when you're a mother and you're a parent. No, it doesn't work. Look at her. But guess what? Lesson learned that when you have a little one like Sarah that eats everything and wants everything that you're eating, when you're making it, you make extra for her. So by the time she finishes eating out of yours, you'll still have some leave for yourself. I'm having breakfast right now and she's enjoying the egg. So I make sure instead of frying 2 eggs, I fry 3. Because this little foodie love egg. I am having a avocado sandwich, 1 bread cut into 2. Already have 1 and that's the second one. And Sarah hates avocado. She don't like it at all. Put it in her mouth and she go, but she loves egg. No, Sarah. You see? She finished eating her egg and is going for mine. What do you want? What do you want? Sarah, what do you want?
Egg.
Egg. Egg, please, Mama.
Egg, please, Mama.
She finished eating her eggs and want mine. Ah. Foodie. Your egg is finished, you know. You know that? You know that your egg is finished? Oh my gosh. You're too funny. Take time.
Yeah.
Put it here. You just have to put it down here. You're too cute. You're gonna leave Mama so she can eat. Book. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to finish eating and head back to all these French papers that I have here. Woke up early this morning at 6 o'clock and get a nice workout in, 1 hour workout, so that was good. Anyway, you guys, continue being productive throughout your day.
Yellow, green, blue, brown, orange.
Good job, Sarah.
I want coffee with joy.
She's reading, y'all.
I have 1 copy. I have enough. I'm still little. I like grapes.
Good job. Come, let me fix your jacket. You guys, who does my little daughter think she is? Look at her. Look how pretty. Sarah, look. Wow. Who is that? She says she's a queen. Wow. Turn around, girl. Spin, Sarah, spin. Turn around.
Look.
You're so pretty. And she pick up her bandu with her crown on it and says queen. Of course, my girl, you're a queen. That's right. Tell them. Queen Sarah. Hi, Queen Sarah. Queen. Come here, Queen. Come here. Mama have to fix you properly, Queen. Come, Queen. Come. Home and you put on your cape. Who are you going to save?
Nobody.
Nobody? So what's the cape for?
The cape is just to make me look nice.
To make you look nice. You look nice with and without the cape, my boy. You're too cute. You guys saw Sarah locking in herself over that little corner. Who can guess what is she doing over that little corner? I want them to guess in the comment section. What is Sarah doing in that little corner over there? If you Bonjour, Sarah. What are you doing? Sarah did? Sarah did? Sarah did? Very good. Sarah did caca. Sarah did pee-pee too. Okay. Sarah is doing business in that corner. And who is home from school? Get up, Sarah. Get up and run. Run, Sarah, run. Let you run past you first. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah, run. Catch you. Catch you. When she don't want you to catch her, she throws herself on the floor. It's too funny. Run, Sarah, run. Tyler gonna. Uh-oh, our grape lost. She can't find her grape. Oh no. Give her one. Here. It's okay. It fell somewhere. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah. She loves her some Tyler.
Sarah, I love pictures. Oh, boo, boo, boo. Oh, Sarah did. Yaka, oh, Sarah, yaka.
Get up, Sarah. Get up and run, Sarah. Get up. Run, Sarah, run.
J'ai plus de carburant déjà.
Run, Sarah.
Ça prend du carburant.
You guys, it's that time of day where I make dinner for the Bam Bam. So that's what's happening right now. I'll show you guys what I'm preparing. Well, just the veggies going on right now. In one, I have green beans and broccoli. Let me show you at the same time. What's going down in Mel's kitchen? Alright, so I have green beans, broccoli mixed with a little ratatouille. And ratatouille is a mixture of different kind of veggies and seasoning together. So all these little red and things that you're seeing. I like to mix ratatouille with another veggie because it gives it such a nice flavor. So that's what I have in here. And then this one is creamy spinach. It's just spinach and cream. I'm not sure what kind of cream it exactly is on it. I would have to look on the package and tell you. But I bought it like this at the supermarket. So I just put it in the pan and it defrosts. And it's cooking. I just add a little salt. Hold on, Ty, I'm coming. I just add a little salt and let it cook. And this is Thailand babe favorite. So the boys will have some of this with I don't know what else yet. I have some quinoa, but I'm sure gonna have to cook another starch for the kids. So I'll figure out which one I'm gonna cook. Pasta or rice?
No, I know what I want more than that.
What?
Potato salad!
You want potato salad?
Yes, potato salad!
Oh my God.
Potato salad! Potato salad! Potato salad!
Okay, I'll make you potato salad.
Potato salad!
Alright. What do you want?
Mama!
Up, please, Mama. Okay, up you go. Up. Up. You're happy? Can I have some of what you're eating? Yummy. Ah. Thank you. That's very nice of you. But guess what? Mama have to cook. You're gonna go play with Tai Tai? Go catch Tai Tai. Go. Catch him. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah, run. Run. Oh. This boy say one potato salad. So Tyler been asking me for potato salad since yesterday, and I tell him that I would make it today, and he did not forget. I was hoping he forget. But Jesus, it look like I don't even have no potato. Oh my gosh. Even if it's one potato, I'm gonna find it and make it for him. Sarah's loving the spinach. And if I put it in her plate, she won't eat it. Jesus! You're gonna bite me? Okay. Because you're loving it so much, I'm gonna put a little bit from Papa's plate and your plate. Okay? Yummy. Alright, you guys, so I made Tyler dream of potato salad come through. God was so good that I found 2 potatoes, and one of the 2 potatoes was good, so that worked, and he'll have his dinner of his dream. Bloops.
Exactly what there's egg in it.
Alright, now Sarah is having quinoa, pork. Oh, I did pork, I didn't show you guys that. That's what Tyler is having too. She'll have a little of the spinach and broccoli. I'm gonna have some of this with pork. And Papa will have spinach, pork, and quinoa. Yeah, so everybody's having a little bit of everything tonight.